Ooh, child, I don't know what you did or who you are, but the blessings are unfolding at a rapid rate for you. I keep hearing knock and the door shall open. There are so many opportunities of abundance knocking at your door. This is the financial freedom that you have been manifesting. And with it comes pure relaxation. You are free to relax. It's giving Four of Swords energy, like you can put down your sword and chill. I'm watching my daughter right now, 4 feet away from me, dancing and singing in the pool. We're on vacation. She's gonna be 8 in a week, and it's that energy. It's that energy that I'm talking about right now. 5-5 when I pause that. 5-5-5, big changes are coming. It is time for you to jump with both feet all in to this new timeline. It's giving carefree. Carefree. 1-1-1 when I pause that. No coincidence that tonight is the full super harvest moon taking place in the sign of Aries. This is your harvest season. Time to reap the rewards from all the seeds that you've sown all year long. This is your new normal. So you may feel extra emotional right now. Sometimes we don't know how to handle calm when we've been through so much chaos. At first you're gonna feel like a fish out of water, gasping for air as you navigate this new normal, this freedom, this carefree energy. But babe, you did this. You are the magic. Under this full moon, release any resistance that your physical body feels to this new normal. Let this be a fiery, fresh start for you. Let it sink in. You did this. Congratulations.